left here, which is heading towards Loughborough and Coates. Again, very flat part of the course, nice course to run. That's 3 miles. It's slightly back uphill now. Nothing too spectacular though. But it levels out and starts heading back downhill again. Natural burial ground on your left hand side. If you don't happen to make it all the way, you could just stop there. This again is quite flat, nice part of the course. We're going to turn quite sharp left here, back onto Coates Road. And we're heading back towards Barrow then. And that's 4 miles. Nice and flat, this part. Again, still flat. Slight uphill gradient now. And that's 5 miles, just one to go. It's flattening out again now. Now it's heading downhill. And as we crest this corner, we go round this corner, we'll stop cresting things. This is the charmingly named Catsick Hill. When you've got 5.4 miles in your leg, it does seem quite steep. Straight over this roundabout. It's flattening out quite nicely now, and it's flat all the way home now. this is the finish. Finish is left in the school car park, which is where we're going. And the speedo is reading bang on 6, so we've obviously done something right this time. That's it, enjoy it. It's a nice course, I enjoyed it last year. Sorry the video is not brilliant quality, it's down to the weather, but at least it's better than nothing. See you all on the day. Bye.